wanted to kill that for a sec so you could actually hear me. We need to get some mics for these videos. Anyways, yeah, 2018 Wrangler JL Sport S and Pumpkin Metallic, which is a super cool color. I'm Hunter. Welcome to Johnston Motors. I want to do a quick video on this one owner, super low mileage. It's actually got 10,800 miles on it now. So we put a few miles on it. I love this vehicle and I've been driving it around as my daily. So the miles have gone up a little bit. We originally purchased it with 10,500. This thing is immaculate. Basically a brand new car. It's still under full factory warranty. It's the first year of the JL, so they introduced these mid-model year. It's a little confusing because they made JKs and JLs at the same time for, well, in 18. So mid-18 is when these came out. This thing drives like a dream. Like I said, it's still under full factory warranty, brand new. It's completely stock. Nothing has been done to it except for this antenna. This is aftermarket. But other than that, nothing else has been done to it. This is the Sport S, so it's a loaded Sport basically. It's got the bigger screen, upgraded stereo, the nicer wheels, that kind of stuff. Connectivity group, leather wrapped steering wheel. It does have a hard top on it. And like I said, it's bone stock Sport. I love this color. This pumpkin color really pops. It's an interesting color. I think it actually looks better in person than it does in pictures, personally. Colors are weird like that. And then there's other colors I think pop really well in pictures that just are kind of meh in person. So anyways, this pumpkin color, orange if you will, is awesome. It just really pops for me. So there is not a mark, scratch, ding on this car anywhere. It's in immaculate condition. It was bought, we bought it from the original owner here. They lived in Dallas. Really nice family, really nice gentleman sold it to us. They actually, the story behind this is they purchased a brand new 21 four-door JLU, and they actually had it when we bought this car from them. And the only reason they got rid of this was because it was a two-door. They like the two doors. They like the look of them better, from what I understood from what he told me, but they just couldn't make it work with the family. So needed the back seat, the four doors. So anyways, they sold this to us and got themselves a brand new four-door JLU. Let's take a look at the inside. Actually, before we do that, let me pop the hood, because this does have the 2-liter turbo in it, which is pretty cool. It's super spunky, especially in the two-door. It's a little bit lighter, a little bit smaller. This thing is a little rocket on the road. It takes off quickly. So it's got plenty of pep if that's what you're looking for. The 2-liters seem to be pretty good engines. We haven't really run into any problems with them yet. That being said, they're still fairly new. So, you know, take that for what it is. But they seem to be pretty good, pretty reliable engines. They get good gas mileage. They got a ton of pep. This engine bay is just immaculate. So, this thing hasn't hardly been touched. Like I said, it's only got 10,800 miles or so, and it's 18. So it hadn't hardly been driven either. Hence one of the reasons why they sold it, because they hardly drove it. Like I said, I've been kind of using this as my daily recently, and there's not a thing wrong with it. It runs and drives great. Like I said, still under factory warranty. We took a bunch of pictures of this, so check out our website, johnstonmotorsale.com. You can also check out our Facebook page. If you're not digging on this Jeep, we have plenty of other Jeeps coming available soon. You can check out our Facebook for updates on that. Like I said, if you want more pictures of this one, johnstonmotorsales.com. If you want to contact me, or Tim, or Lauren, or any of us around here, 940-808-2382. Let me take a look at the inside. I'll show you guys that real quick. There's no rips, stains, tears. It still smells new, so. This liner here is actually what they call a bimini top. It basically keeps the sun off you when you take these T-tops off, when you take the hard tops off. So it's not waterproof or anything, but it gives you shade when the top is off. So we left it in there. It's a nice little feature. If you don't like it, it's really easy to remove. Obviously, full-size factory spare. These all have that. Backup camera, wheel locks. Yeah, just a really good, really clean, solid Jeep. Top's never been off. Spares never hit the ground. We just serviced it, gave it an oil change, tire rotation. 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport S in pumpkin metallic. These are factory side steps. Those are not aftermarket. They came on the car from the factory. Actually, I take that they may have been dealer installed, but they are OEM. Like I said, my name is Hunter. You can contact us anytime, 940-808-2382 if you're interested in this super clean Wrangler, or if this one doesn't work for you, we have plenty more coming up for sale. Thanks a lot. Take care of each other. Have fun. Bye, y'all.